Are your eggs sticking, browning too fast, or falling apart? Well, it's not your eggs, it's your pan. Watch this video to learn the right way to cook eggs on titanium, stainless steel, and non-stick pans. Let's start with stainless steel pans. These are a classic in many kitchens, but eggs can be a little trickier. Stainless steel isn't naturally non-stick, so getting the right heat and the right fat is the key to preventing eggs from sticking or burning. Start by heating the pan slowly over medium or just below medium heat. To check if it's ready, flick a drop of water onto the surface. If it beads up and bounces around the pan instead of evaporating immediately, the pan's ready. This step is crucial for preventing sticking. Now the part that really makes a difference. Turn the heat down to low and wait for about 5 to 10 seconds before adding the oil or butter. This way, the fat creates a smooth surface that keeps your eggs from sticking. If you add the fat before preheating, it'll burn by the time your pan gets hot enough. And if you add the eggs before lowering the heat, the pan will get too hot and the eggs will burn. Now, add your eggs and give them a few seconds to set before moving or stirring. Patience really is everything with stainless steel. If you try to flip or stir too soon, the eggs will stick. Once you get the timing right, stainless steel pans can give you beautifully cooked, evenly golden eggs you'll be proud to serve. Now let's talk about non-stick pans. These are very forgiving and really beginner friendly, so the eggs usually slide right out, but there's still a few tricks to get them perfect and avoid burning. Start by preheating the pan on medium heat for about a minute. Now you want to avoid high heat because overheating could damage the surface and burn your eggs. You don't need the water drop method here, so just add a tiny bit of butter or oil. Non-stick pans don't need much fat, but a thin layer will help your eggs cook evenly and it adds flavor. Add your eggs as soon as the butter melts and give them a moment to set before gently lifting or flipping. With non-stick pans, you can usually move them earlier than with stainless steel, but it still helps to let the proteins firm up just a bit. Want super soft, pillowy scrambled eggs? Start them in a cold pan and cook them with a little butter over low heat. This helps the proteins from setting too quickly, so the eggs cook evenly with no dry bits. Now this next part is really important when cooking with non-stick pans. No matter how you like your eggs, always use a wooden or silicone spatula to stir or flip them. Metal utensils can scratch the surface, and once that coating's damaged, food will start sticking. With non-stick pans, eggs do move around and slide easily, but the coating wears down over time. So overheating or using the wrong utensils can make them wear out faster. And finally, cooking eggs with titanium pans. They're lightweight, durable, and extremely heat efficient, but the key to cooking eggs right with them is proper preheating. That means warming the pan on medium heat for about a minute or two. Titanium pans heat evenly thanks to their layered core, so you don't need high heat. To check if your pan's ready, do the same water drop test. Flick a tiny drop of water onto the surface, and if it evaporates immediately, the pan's still a little bit too cool. But if the drop forms a bead and dances across the surface, your pan is perfectly preheated. Now, add a little butter or oil and let it melt and spread all over the pan. Then crack your eggs straight into the pan and whisk them first if you're making an omelet. At first, the eggs might slightly grab the pan, but that's completely normal. As the proteins cook and release moisture, they'll naturally detach from the surface. So be patient. Let them sit for a moment before flipping or stirring. Keep the heat on medium or slightly lower if needed until the eggs are done, just the way you like them. And that's how you get perfectly cooked eggs with titanium pans. So, what's the secret to cooking perfect eggs in titanium, stainless, or non-stick pans? It's matching your cooking technique to the pan you're using. That can mean proper preheating, the right amount of fat, the right heat level, and sometimes a little patience. And once you understand how each pan works, you might even discover that a different pan works better for the way you like to cook. If you want a pan that combines even heating, durability, and easy release, check out Taima Titanium. Its 5-layer construction features an aluminum core for fast, even heating, a durable titanium cooking surface for strength and easy release, and a stainless steel exterior that works on induction and in the oven when you want baked eggs or a frittata. And since the cooking surface is real titanium, there's no non-stick coating to wear out and no chemicals to worry about leaching into your food. So visit taimatitanium.com and get the best titanium pan, not just for perfect eggs, but for healthier meals every day.